Next origami dinosaur, Origami Stegosaurus. So we start with the square, and we fold it in half diagonally. So hold the corners together, and crease. Open up, and fold the corners together again, and put another crease in. And open up, and turn over. Now lengthwise. So hold the edges together, and I'm going to hold it, and then crease. And the opposite axis. So fold again, put the edges together, hold them together, and crease. Now we're going to bring all those folds together in a primary base. Now, with the open sides at the base, we're going to fold all those edges in. The edges are folding into the middle line. Turn over, and the same thing. Pull the top corner over, and crease. Undo, and then we'll fold the top flap up and fold the edges in. And turn over and open up. And fold the top layer up again. And this is a bird base. Now pull these corners out, roll them apart, and I'm going to flatten these points. This is a stretch bird base. So fold these points down and over, pinch them together and flatten. And flatten. Fold it up. Now, I'm going to fold it in half. Now I'm going to unfold these corners, fold them up. And I'm just going to fold the sides out, and then we'll find that crease, turn that inside out. So we're turning inside out the edges. So again there, fold it out, and flatten. Turn over, do the same thing, so we're opening up the point, so we're folding it up, and then from beneath, folding out the lower edge. Take the top corner and fold it over, and it's coming down between the corners we just made. And the same behind. Now the top layer I want to fold over, so from the middle, and this corner is going to touch the crease in the upper layer. Do the same on both sides. turn over, and I'm just going to fold that corner behind. So it's just in that top layer, it's just folding it behind and inside. Now do the same thing on this side. So again, we're folding the corners in, so it's coming from the middle crease. And fold the top corner behind. Now open up. And we're going to take these corners, fold it in, and back out again. And we're leaving enough space so we're actually going to narrow it later on. Making sure it's in the middle. And out again, and back over. Turn over, and then we're going to fold the corners. So this is going to go right up to the edge. On the other side, not quite, about 3/4 of the way. I'm going to open that point out. So open it and squash. Fold the layers out. Open up and squash. Now fold that corner back over. Turn over. Now each of the corners we just made, we're going to fold in. Unfold, and then fold the edge up and over, and again. So these corners, fold them in. Top and bottom. Unfold and then fold the edges in again. I'm just going to fold the lower edges with the tail, fold that section over. Turn over. Now I'm going to fold this is the head, we're going to fold the corners up. Just start to make the suggestion of a head. And fold it behind. And turn over. Now I'm going to fold the head, make a bit of a neck, so I'm folding along the back of the head and over just a small crimp, leave a bit of a gap, turn over, and I can fold the edges in. And just give it a bit of a neck. Now, fold the whole thing in half diagonally. At this point, let's take this back corner, fold it out. And now I'm going to squeeze it together. So I'm putting this on the middle, making a kind of diamond shape, and then folding that over. So I've folded it together and squashed it flat. And take the other plate and fold it out. Now the middle section I'm going to fold up, separate the layers and squash flat. Turn over. Again, same thing. So we'll fold the plate up. This middle section we're going to fold over. We're pinching it and folding it over, making a preliminary base shape. And the rear plate we can fold out. This section we fold up. Separate the layers. Open and squash. Now I'm just going to move the legs apart slightly, so just sliding it out into that middle section again, pulling them together, just move them slightly apart. The corners here, fold them in on both sides, and open the section and fold the edge underneath. Turn over. Again, the outer edges, fold them in. And fold these edges inside. Now, this middle layer I can just pull out. So I'm separating it. I'm going to fold it up, and this just makes some top plates, which is part of its armour. So now do the same thing. So again, I'm pulling it out, separating the layers, then folding it up and out. Nearly done. That's the tail. So I'm going to fold these corners up. Use some spikes in his tail. And we're done.